Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new, just popping in, welcome. My name is Shannon, and I'm glad to have you here with us. I'm just gonna start this off by folding just a few of Mike's work clothes and putting them away. Then I have a Walmart order coming. I have ordered some canning jars. And I'm going to check those to make sure none are broken, because sometimes it's a little iffy. But then we are going to get into the kitchen, and I am going to make some taco stuffed zucchini. I have never tried this before, and they are so good. You better believe I will be making some more in the future. Now, of course, Mike's not going to eat them because he's not a zucchini person. So I will be making him and my son chicken nachos. And those are really good too. And as a matter of fact, I think I want to try to make the taco stuffed zucchini with chicken one time instead of beef. Now, they were good with the beef, and I will be making them again with the beef, but I really like the chicken nachos, so I would really like to try to incorporate the chicken or substitute the beef for the chicken one time and see how that turns out. But I'm gonna go on and check these jars, and then I'm gonna get to cooking, and I'll pop back in just a few. I am going to link the recipe to these in the description in case anyone's interested in trying these. I have to tell you, they're good though. They are very good. But I followed the instructions as good as I could. I did not make up my own taco seasoning. I already had taco seasoning, so I didn't see any sense in doing that. It may have been better if I would have made up my own, but I just was basically in a hurry too, because I knew I had 2 dinners to cook. And once you get all of this out, you're supposed to chop it up because you'll be incorporating it in with the ground beef. And then it calls for you to put the hollowed out zucchini halves on a plate and microwave them for 3 minutes. And then after, of course, all of your ground beef is cooked, then you're going to basically put the middle of the zucchini that you have chopped up into that and let it cook down a little bit. Then you'll stuff them, and after you stuff them and put the cheese on top, you will put them in the oven on broil until the cheese is nice and melted and bubbly. Very good stuff. So I am giving my son one to try, and surprisingly he liked it pretty good. And I'm gonna fix mine, and I will cut it open and let y'all see what the middle looks like. Good stuff. Now I am going to make the chicken nachos, and I always boil my chicken breast. So I'm just going to put this in this water, let it boil until it's done, and then I will put it in a bowl in the refrigerator and let it cool, because I will be shredding it with my hands. I prefer my hands over a fork or 2 forks or whatever. It's just easier for me. So now I'm gonna start I guess it's a queso, and that's a lot of cheese, but it evidently turned out good because every bit of it got eaten. But I put in a jalapeno chopped that come out of our garden, and I'm gonna put in this Great Value. It's like Rotel, but their brand. And then I'll put in a splash of milk and let that all cook down on a low heat. And I will be keeping it stirred so it doesn't scorch on the bottom. And then when my chicken is cooled, I will shred it. I'll put it in a pan with some olive oil, and then I'll incorporate in my taco seasoning. Let it cook for a little while, and I used this go round the Tostitos with the lime, the hint of lime, and they really enjoyed it. So let me know what y'all think. Would you choose the chicken nachos or the taco stuffed zucchini? And I do believe I am going to try that taco stuffed zucchini with the shredded chicken next time. I sure hope y'all have enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment. Leave me a like if you like the video. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you consider joining our little community. We do everything. You never know what you're going to get here. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I will catch y'all in the next one. As always, stay blessed. Bye.